Okay, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland up in the Winton area. The material's been wetted to highlight the seams of opal. Parent material is quite hard, so it should polish quite nicely. There's a couple of seams in this. This one going through here, which it might split into two faces for you, and then there's another piece of opal running through the stone there. Not super bright colours, but you don't know sometimes when this stuff splits, which I'll give you an example. Here's another piece, looks similar. And when it was split open, this is what was inside. Can't guarantee that that'll be what's in there, but it's a possibility. It all came out of the same rock. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.